Hello noisy creatures, what are you doing this morning? You've already dirtied your water? Hey? So good morning and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. This morning I'm cleaning out their houses and Evie's off having a break as usual. So I've got to get everything done before the painters arrive, which shouldn't be too far away. So I hope you enjoy this episode of these naughty little monsters and other things. And look at you, who's a quiet one? That's the littlest one there. I think that she might be a girl. Hey, the littlest and definitely the noisiest. It's another day on the farm. Oi, Addykins! There's grumpy old Addy, who is very broody. She's sitting on 12 eggs. We thought she was sitting on only, what was it? 9, just like Evie was, but the gardener must have miscalculated. Anyway, she's up, she's having a feed, gonna have a splash, and then she'll go back to her eggs. So hatch day is probably about a week and a half away. Hey, hello Addy. And hello naughty Mr. Duck. Hello Mr. Duck. He's been doing his wild thing, haven't you? You naughty boy. So today's task, after cleaning out Evie and her babies. Thank goodness I hopefully didn't get that on camera, but that was disgusting. Broody Poohs are the worst thing in the world, and I'm not even going to look at it because it is revolting. But I've got a big job cleaning out here today because there's so much the smell, the stench. Addy, you're evil. That's evil smell. Yes it is. Hey, you grotty girl. Oh, that is vile. So where am I? So I've got tons of old lettuce and stuff to rake up and put in the compost, haven't I, girl? You naughty thing. You naughty thing. But so yeah, it's a bit grotty out here. But I'm not going anywhere near that poo. Ooh, that's disgusting. Oh, well, she's going to go for a bit of a wander, aren't you, sweetheart? Oh, no more, you. Oh, well, I'm going to leave him to it, aren't I? Hey, feeding time at the zoo. Now, yous too? Yous are good, aren't you? Yes, you are. You just vile, you naughty creature. Oh. I'm coming, Addy Cake. Come on. Off we go. Good, Addy. Addy's impatient. She wants more food. Come on, Addy. I pour wheat into the water because that way the sparrows don't get it. Hey! Hey Addy, you're enjoying that, aren't you? It also means the chickens can't gobble up everything before the ducks can eat. And you, Mumsy, look at you making a mess there. Mumsy's a token duck. She likes hanging out with the ducks. Don't ya? Yes, you do. What are you doing, Addy? What are you doing? Hey? Naughty girl. Right, while Addy's busy out here, I'm just going to go and see if we can see her eggs. And here is her nest. Doesn't that look cozy? You can't see the eggs today, but yesterday all the eggs were uncovered. But that's a lot of feathers from one little ducky. What you doing? Do you want to go out and see Evie? Do ya? But no, this is where you are. You're not going out there because you're a bit of the flighty thing at the moment. Off you go. See you, honey. Evie. Want to go back inside? Come on. Come on, Evie. Come on. Come on, Evie. Round we go. Come on. Come on. In you go. Good girl. Everyone's happy now. So thank you for watching the morning madness here with Evie and her friends and her babies, the Evielings. So I'll catch you next time on Gardener Gone Wild. So please remember to like, subscribe and drop us a comment. Be nice to hear from you and let us know what you think about this channel and what we're doing. Okay, until next time, bye bye.